Unrivaled, what does it really mean? Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a word that's often heard in the realms of competition, quality, and excellence. The word is unrivaled, but what does it really mean to be unrivaled? Whether you're learning English as a new language or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will help you understand the use of this powerful adjective. So, let's get started. When we describe something as unrivaled, we're saying it has no equal. It's the best of the best, with no other person, item, or entity that can match its quality, skill, or status. The term often pops up in discussions about sports champions, groundbreaking inventions, or even a chef's signature dish. Examples in sentences: the athlete's performance this season is unrivaled. No one else has come close. The museum's collection of Renaissance art is unrivaled in its breadth and quality. Unrivaled is made up of two parts: the prefix un and the word rivaled. The prefix un is used to indicate negation or the absence of something. And rivaled, it comes from the word rival, which means someone or something competing against another. So, when we put them together, unrivaled literally means without a rival, without competition. Learning synonyms can help you understand the nuances of using unrivaled. Some synonyms include peerless, incomparable, unparalleled, and supreme. However, the context in which you use these words can vary slightly, and that's what makes English so colorful and diverse. Examples with synonyms: her voice is peerless, captivating audiences worldwide. This smartphone's technology is incomparable. It's in a league of its own. How can you start using unrivaled in your daily conversations or writing? Look for situations where something truly stands out as the best. It could be a friend's cooking, a local sports team, or a product you love. Practice sentences: this is the best ice cream I've had. It's truly unrivaled. In terms of customer service, our company aims to be unrivaled. I hope this explanation helps you grasp the essence of being unrivaled. It's a word that packs a punch, perfect for describing the absolute best in any field or category. Use it wisely, and it will add flair to your conversations and writing. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, keep expanding your vocabulary and challenging your language skills.